Hello, I'm Dr. Shantanu, and I would like to spread awareness about, a very big problem of our country, which is tuberculosis. So, the very first and foremost sign would be persistent cough, something which a lot of people, especially in our country, tend to ignore. Persistent cough with sputum or without sputum, should never be ignored. If you're having it for like a prolonged period of time, let's say 1 month or more, you really need to visit your doctor, maybe get some tests done, maybe get an x-ray done, so we can figure out and look into it, what is causing that problem. And just stay fit and do not ignore your problems. Thank you.